How to connect any Bluetooth device to your computer through Bluetooth option or Bluetooth dongle. So let's check. Go to the search panel and click on Bluetooth, and it will appear with the Bluetooth and other device settings, and click on it and it will appear with the Bluetooth settings. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Try to search add Bluetooth or other devices. Click on it and search the Bluetooth device, and if you have the Bluetooth device, it will appear on the top. Mine has AirPods and I'm trying to connect, but it can't connect. Having problem with the connection. Let's try to close the Bluetooth option, turn it on again, turn off the Bluetooth option and turn it on again, and then I'll try another time to connect with your Bluetooth devices. If it doesn't work, so go to the control panel and go to the device and filters, and here you can get your dongle and click on hardware and try to update your Bluetooth drivers one by one. Double click on the first one and go and click on drivers and try to update the driver with the compatible driver or compatible hardware, and try another time to update your driver with it. And please try to update, uncheck the show compatible hard driver and click on the Microsoft and update the driver with the Microsoft hardware option, and then try another time to connect your Bluetooth device. Now my AirPod Bluetooth device is one time connected and it gets connected again. You will get the option on your control panel on the device and printers option with the name of the AirPod, your Bluetooth device name. Double click on it and go to the hardware and click on Advanced Audio Distribution Profile Sync. Double click on it and go to the driver and try to update the driver with the compatible driver with the Microsoft Bluetooth A2DP source. This is the one, and it will help Bluetooth device to connect with the computer easily. Just click on it and it will apply. First of all, you have to know which type of Bluetooth device you want to connect. Mine is for audio driver. That's why I click on the upload the Microsoft Bluetooth drivers, and there you can see AirPod is now connected, but there is no music and voice. Let's fix it also. Click on AirPod audio video remote control and try to update it, and update it with the Microsoft Bluetooth ABRCP transfer driver. It will take some time to install it, and go to the another time and click on hand-free profile and try to update it with the Microsoft Bluetooth hand-free profile audio gateway role. Click on next. Click on another time audio and video remote control and change the profiles, and another time try to update Microsoft Bluetooth ABRCP transfer driver. And there you can see, first of all I connected my AirPod Bluetooth driver on my computer, and then now I connected with the voice and music. Try the every hardware with the Microsoft settings. Without Microsoft hardware, it will not connect with your Bluetooth driver or Bluetooth function with your computer. Let's try with the same method that I showed you on this video. Go to the control panel and click on hardware sound and click on sound. Put the default sound to your headphone AirPod stereo. That's it. Yes, you will get some idea.